What's up? So today we are meeting Darin from FD Motorsports because Darin picked up a beautiful 964 out in Texas from Rudy, and he went to go visit his daughter yesterday in San Diego and is on his way up, so we're gonna have lunch with him. Co-piloting, or actually driving, piloting, is Tim. He's excited. He's
super excited.
Driving the 964 for the second day in a row.
Must be nice.
So, must be nice. So Darin is meeting us at Chino Hills. We're gonna do some Korean food, and after we're gonna have a little photo shoot before he heads on back up north. So let's go pay him a visit. Brought the gear in the front. If you guys haven't already, get some merch. No, he parked right next to me.
No.
Oh my god, that looks so good.
Oh my god.
Yes. Yeah, but I love this color. It's so funny because I love bright colors, but all my cars are white, which doesn't make any sense.
White.
Oh my gosh. I love white too, but I also love colored cars. Like, you know, I want...
You got collectible?
I know, it's just going broke, but all good. Oh, I see where...
Yeah.
See, look at this is all original patina right here.
Yeah.
This is an extra 30 grand, guys. So if you guys are looking for one. So what I need to really ask is, are you gonna set something up for the exhaust system on this car? Yes!
Oh.
Because, yes, I already figured that was gonna be the case because...
Getting this was to develop a product for this, was develop Fister Sport exhaust for this.
Heck yeah! That's, man, when I saw you pick this up, I was like, oh, it's go time. This is called naengmyeon. Basically, it's like a buckwheat noodle. And it's kind of chewy. It's a summer noodle, so it's kind of cold. It's really, really good. So, okay, you're good. Yeah.
Oh man, that was so good.
Is this your first time having tofu? The Korean tofu?
Yes.
All right, I'm excited for you guys to try that. It's really good here, so.
Oh dang, that's good.
Yeah, it's really good. Yeah, just go straight and make a left.
Darin, can we get another one?
Hey, bidding war!
Good deal. You ready to unload? Oh, here we go.
What's up, man?
What's up, buddy?
How you doing?
Well, you know what? I'm out here hanging with Darin. Where's Darin? Darin is right there, and his wife. Oh, there's Darin right there. FD.
Oh,
This-
Darin Fister.
Yes, sir.
Oh my God. Hey, how you doing, Darin?
Good, how are you?
I bought a lot of stuff from you.
I know. How you doing, brother?
Good, man. Nice
Good.
to finally meet you.
Yeah, well, you should be here right now.
See that right there?
Hey, that's actually why I'm calling, because his wife is 964 crazy. His wife is 964 crazy, and I just told him about that you had two white ones in your possession right now, and I was telling you you should drive one over here right now to make a sale, because she's actually actively looking for one, even though they just bought one.
Oh, really?
Yeah, really.
Which one do you want?
964 fever, baby. Get in now before it's too late. It's already too late, actually. It's actually super too
Well,
late.
perfect time for me.
I see know somebody that knows somebody. Oh yeah, by the way guys, if you haven't already, get one. Boom, shop.911cool.com.
You wish you had what?
I wish I had some strobes, but
Oh.
now I'm gonna have to HDR this. Ooh, let's see
Mr.
that
Darin
backside.
Fister himself?
Let's see that backside.
Ooh.
Congrats on the new one. This is what we're doing. So I'm going to take a series of photos, and you guys have to be very still. Or like half a second. Doesn't sound long, but when you're in it, it's tough.
We're good. We're good.
So basically what you're gonna do is you guys are walking. Do you guys have like a shop? Do you guys go shopping at all?
Oh, we have some plastic that I go shopping.
No, like paper bags? Okay. You know what? Let's get that flour bag. Just kind of have it over your shoulders. There you go. Just like, so let me set the camera real quick. I'm gonna have you taking a few steps forward. Let me have you walk right there. Good, right there. Probably right there. Actually, come up to the front of the car just a bit. Good. Now I want you to lean over and look back at Darin. So like, okay. So I'm gonna have you kind of work on a couple positions so you look more natural. So you look in right here. Just like, oh, blah, and you guys are kind of smiling and kind of reinforcing. Okay. Quiet on set. All right, let's give that a try. 1, 2, and 3. Action. All right.
Can I actually show me one? Just one?
Yeah, let me see. You guys, until it's developed, what I'm gonna do is I have to develop you guys a little bit more, but
Cool. No, that's fine.
yeah, that's all it's there. Just have something a little fun. There you go, right there. What's up, guys? Thanks for tagging along. I'm so glad Darin was able to stop by on his way up north. And of course, Jill is here. And look at that smile. And hopefully we can see them in a white 964 in the future.
Hey, I just want to say thanks to Drew and Tim. Thank you guys. It's been great hanging out. Do a little photo shoot on the way home. It's been a really nice adventure. Get this 964 back home so we can start working on it.
Hell yeah, and you know the exhaust stuff's coming! Woo! Alright guys, we'll check you guys out next time. Peace out.